Good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. In our previous class, we were reading a biography of Albert Einstein at school, which was written by Patrick Finger. Which was written by Patrick Finger. In our previous class, we were discussing that Albert Einstein said that if his mathematics teacher will give him the preference, then he will get the admission in the institute or Italian college. Well, it's up to you, he said. I doubt if it will come off. But I can see you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying here. How long would you like me to say you should stay away from school? Would 6 months be alright? Now, Dr. Weil said that, means for how many days you won't leave, Albert, whether 6 month leave, whether 6 month medical certificate which I will provide you will be beneficial to you, will provide you comfort or not. That's why he said that, Dr. Weil says that, well, it's up to you. I doubt if it will comes off. But I can see you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying here. Means you are staying here and it is not good for you also, and this thing you are not doing good for others also. That's why for how many days leave you want, whether 6 month leave will be beneficial for you to be away from the school. This is very kind of you. No, Albert said that this is very kind of you. Means this much relief if you will provide me, that will be sufficient for me. That is very kind of you. That is very much thankful of you that you will provide me 6 month leave, and within this 6 month I will be getting my real target of my life. It's nothing, I have only just stopped being a student myself, so I know how you feel. Here you are. Dr. Weil handed him the certificate and the best of luck. Now, Dr. Weil said that I know what the thing is going on in your mind, and that's why I know your problem. That why you want relief from your school. And he said, and Dr. Weil said that here you are, means here your medical certificate had been prepared by me. Take this medical certificate and use it according to you. And Dr. Weil said that best of luck in the sense that the main target, the main purpose of Albert Einstein was that within 6 months he will move to his guardian who was in the Milan. Then doctor said that how much? Nothing if you have anything to spare, invite Yuri to a meal. Now doctor said that if you want to spend some money, then give a meal, give a dinner to Yuri at your home. Nothing if you have anything to spare, means. And now doctor said to the Albert that if you want to spend some money, then give invitation to Yuri to a meal. Because of Yuri only you have came here and I have helped you a little bit in order to get relief or some holidays from the school, and this medical certificate will provide you some relief. Here's a good friend of mine, and yours too, I think. And then Albert said that, yes sir, what you are saying, that is a good thing, that you want to give a meal or give a party to Yuri. And then Albert said that Yuri is not a good friend of yours only. He is not a good friend of yours only. He is a good friend of mine also. And I will give him a meal party. Albert had no money to spare. And the reality is that Albert had no money to spare, but he pretended he had and took Yuri out to supper. Now what happened? Albert had pretended that he had the money to spare. He had the money to spend on meal. But the reality is that he didn't have money. But he pretended that he have got the money. Isn't it wonderful? He said after showing Yuri the certificate. Now, Albert shown the medical certificate which was provided by Dr. Whale. Dr. Whale had provided him a medical certificate, and on the ground, on the basis of nervous breakdown of Yuri, on the nervous breakdown of Albert Einstein. And when this medical certificate Albert had got from Dr. Whale, he had shown this medical certificate to Yuri, who was his best friend. He had shown this medical certificate to Yuri and said that, Yuri, isn't it a wonderful thing? Isn't it wonderful? Yes, it's fine. Yuri agreed. Yuri agreed that yes, it's fine that you have got a medical certificate from Dr. Whale. Now Yuri said that yes, it's a wonderful thing that you have got a medical certificate and from Dr. Whale, and this is the wonderful thing which had been done by you. Yuri agreed. Yes, it's fine. 6 months is a good period, because on the basis of the medical certificate which was provided by Dr. Whale, on this basis he said that 6 month relief, 6 months is a good period. 6 months is a good period for you. This way you won't actually be leaving the school. So if the worst comes to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. Now Yuri said that this way you won't actually be leaving the school. Means if you means here Yuri is talking to Albert. Yuri said that if you have not got this medical certificate, then you have to leave the school. But now you will show this medical certificate in your school, and on the basis of this medical certificate you have to leave the school. Means your name will not be expelled, your name will not be cancelled from the school diary, school book, but you will be given a 6 month relief. And if the worst thing will happen means Here Yuri want to say that if Albert had not got any admission in the Milan college or institute, then this is the worst thing, that he will not get the admission in the foreign college. Then he had to come back in the same school and he had to complete his diploma. I will never go back to that place, Albert assured him. Because Yuri had said that if the worst thing will be happen with you, Albert, then you have to come back in the same school where you are going to give your medical certificate, and you have to complete your diploma if the worst thing would happen. But Albert assured him, but Albert gave him his assurance that I will never go back to that place, that I will never go back, I will never come back to that place to complete my diploma. I am going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow. I am going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow. Now Albert is saying that I am going to take this medical certificate which was given by Dr. Weil to the head of the teacher. And he will show this medical certificate, and on this medical certificate basis he will take leave from the school. I will never go back to that school, Albert assured Yuri. I am going to take this medical certificate to the head teacher tomorrow, and that will be the end of it. Now Albert said that tomorrow he is going to take this medical certificate to the head of the teacher, and that will be the end of the study in this school. Don't forget to get a reference in writing from your mathematics teacher first, Yuri reminded him. Now, because actually Yuri is the best friend of Albert, that's why he knows each and everything of Albert. Who is the best friend of Albert? Which teacher likes him the most? And what really the Albert like. That's why he knows that his mathematics teacher knows him, and Albert always gives his attention in the mathematics class. That's why mathematics teacher knows him, and mathematics teacher will give his reference also about the Albert. That's why when Albert said that tomorrow I am going to take this medical certificate to the head of the teacher, then Yuri reminded him that don't forget to get a reference from your mathematics teacher in writing. Mr. Koch willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted, and the name of the mathematics teacher is Mr. Koch. Mr. Koch willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted. Now Mr. Koch had given the reference which the Albert was wanted from the Mr. Koch. He had given that reference in writing to the Albert. If I say I can't teach you anymore, and probably you will soon be able to teach me, will that be alright? He asked. Now Mr. Koch asked Albert, it was if I say I can't teach. Now Mr. Koch said that if I want to say something, Albert, then I can say that, Albert, I am not able to teach you anymore. Probably you will soon, and and Mr. Coach shown his presumption that, and probably you will soon be able, and probably you will be more talented than me, you will be more talented in order to teach me more. And this presumption is going to come true. That's why Mr. Coach had said that probably you will soon be able to teach me. Probably you are going to teach me. Will that be alright? And when he said that whether this thing will be alright that you are going to teach me, he asked, Mr. Coach asked, "That's saying too much, sir," said Albert. Albert said that, "Sir, what you have said, this thing is enough for me, that you are so much optimistic towards me that I am going to teach you, and that means I am going to be more talented in order to teach mathematics. It's only the truth, but alright, I will put it more seriously." It was still a glowing reference, and Mr. Coach made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. "I am sorry you are leaving us, although you are wasting your time in my class," he said. Now Mr. Coach said that, "Yes, I am sorry that you are leaving us, we are very much sad, we are very much upset that you are going to leave us, although you are wasting your time in my class. And Albert, you are visiting here, you have came here and you are wasting your time in my class. But how did you know I am leaving, sir?" Sorry. Here after that, Albert says that it's almost the only class where I am not wasting my time. Now when Mr. Coach said that, "Albert, we are very much upset, that we are very much sad that you are going to leave us, but when you are present here, you are wasting your time." Then Albert replied that, and one thing we have noticed that in our previous class also, that Albert is very much frank, very much bold enough to say what he like. Means he is very frank enough to say everything very clearly. That's why Albert said that it's almost the only class. It's almost the only class means this is the only class. Almost the only class means there are many subjects, there are many teachers, there are many classes, but he likes almost only this class. He likes only the mathematics class which was taught by Mr. Coach. He said that it's almost the only class where I am not wasting my time. Means this is the only class where I have my interest. This is the only class where my attention, where my views have been seen. He meant to say that this is the only class which I likes the most. This is the only class which is more interesting to me. And otherwise, in the rest of the class, I waste my time. Waste my time means I only time pass there. I only spend my time there. But this is the only class where I am learning the new thing, because in the beginning only we have seen that he had said that we should focus on idea. We should not focus on facts, because facts are the old thing, the thing which had already been passed. That's why he had said that we should focus on the new thing, on the new idea. That's why he had said that, "Mr. Coach, this is almost only the class where I don't waste my time. But how did you know I am leaving, sir?" And now he was very much surprised that Mr. Coach also knows that he is going to leave the school. Albert was very much surprised that Mr. Coach also knows that I am going to leave the school. But how he had got the knowledge, but how he had got the information that I am going to leave the school? And this the thing he asked to the Mr. Coach, sir, how you have got the information that I am going to leave the school? You will now Mr. Coach is going to reply the answer that you wouldn't have asked me for this reference otherwise. I thought you had wondered. You wouldn't have asked me for this reference otherwise. This is the answer that Mr. Coach had said that if you are not going to leave the school, then you hadn't came here. Then you wouldn't have asked me. Means you wouldn't have asked me. You wouldn't have came here in order to get the reference from me. This is the only thing from which we have got the knowledge that you are going to leave the school. You wouldn't have asked me for this reference otherwise. Means if you wouldn't have to leave this school, you wouldn't have came here in order to take the reference from me. I thought you had wonder. There's nothing to wonder about Einstein. I knew you were going to leave before you knew yourself. Now, Mr. Coach, actually, because every teacher had got their talent, every teacher knows their student very well, that which student is laborious, that which student is unable to understand what we are teaching, and means there are many teachers, and every teachers have their own qualifications, and they have their own talent. That's why teachers knows their student very well, that who have the interest in the studies or not, which subject they likes. That's why Mr. Coach has said that Albert, there's nothing to be wondered, there's nothing to be get surprised. I knew that you are going to leave the school before you knew yourself. Means here Mr. Coach want to say that I knew that you are going to leave the school, and this thing I knew before you knew yourself. Means before you have decided to leave the school, I have got the information, I have got the knowledge that you are going to leave the school, because you are unable to understand what we are teaching in the school. Then on this basis only we have got the knowledge that this student is not going to stay here. One day he have to leave the school. That's why I knew before you knew that you are going to leave the school. Albert was puzzled. Albert was very much puzzled, very much surprised, shocked that sir had got the information before I got the information that I am going to leave the school. What did the teacher mean? And now Albert started thinking that by saying all these things, what teacher want to say, what the teacher want to tell me, what the teacher want to say, what the teacher want to mean. He soon found out. Now soon Albert had got the answer that before he had a chance to ask for an interview with the head teacher, he was summoned to the head's room. When he had got the answer from the Mr. Coach, then he was very much shocked and surprised, and before he was going to leave the room, and because he was going to leave the room in the sense that he had got the reference from his mathematics teacher, then he had to move towards the head of the institution, head of the head teacher, head of the institution, head teacher. Then he noticed that, then he had got the knowledge, then he had got the information that he had an interview with the head teacher. Then he had got the information, he had got notice, he had got the information that he had an interview with the head of the teacher. in his room.